Hello everyone, welcome to Global Secure Access video series. My name is Mohammed Ismaili and I'm a product manager in Identity and Network Access in Customer Experience Engineering team. In this video, we are going to cover securing private application access using privileged identity management and Entra Private access. Let's get started.
First of all, we need to access Entra portal using a user who has either Global Administrator role or both Global Secure Access Administrator and Application Administrator roles. After we signed in successfully to Entra portal, we need to go to Global Secure Access section. To do that, we minimize Identity and we expand Global Secure Access tab. Then we go to Connect, Traffic Forwarding. We need to make sure private access profile is enabled and the respective users are assigned to it. In our case here, we can see all users are assigned to private access profile. Then we need to verify private network connector. To do that, we go to Connectors tab. As we can see here, our private network connector server is up and running and the status of the connector is active. Next, we need to verify the private DNS. To do that, we go to Applications section, Quick Access, and then we open Private DNS tab. As we can see here, private DNS is enabled and also we have added the DNS suffix. Then we need to make sure users and groups are assigned to Quick Access application. Next, we need to create our enterprise application. To do that, we go to Enterprise Applications and we click on New Application. We specify the application's name, for example, RDP Access, and then we need to select the correct connector group from Connector Group drop-down list. Then we need to add the application segment. To do that, we click on Add Application Segment. And destination type, we select full qualified domain name. And here we specify the full qualified domain name for our server that we need to do remote desktop to. Then we specify RDP port, which is 3389. Then we select both TCP and UDP protocols. Then we click on Apply and Save. Our private access application has been created successfully. Next, we need to assign the correct group to our application. To do that, we click on Enterprise Application one more time, and we select our RDP access application. Then we click on Users and Groups, Add Users Group, and we add our group. Now our secure access group has been assigned successfully to our private access application. Next, we need to onboard secure access group to PIM. To do that, we click on Identity, Groups, All Groups, and we search for our secure access group. We click on Privileged Identity Management and then enable PIM for this group. After that, under Identity Governance, we click on Privileged Identity Management. We go to Group under Manage, and we select our Secure Access Group, which is enabled for PIM now. Then we go to Assignments, and we click on Add Assignment, and then we select the role, member for example, and here we select the user that we want him to access remote desktop. Select, then we click on Next, Assign, as we see here, Lee user is eligible to have access to secure access group. Keep in mind, if you don't have a global administrator role, you should be having privileged role administrator to be able to configure PIM. Now let's jump in to our client device. We are currently on the client device, which is connected to Entra ID and has Global Secure Access application installed on it. As we can see here, Global Secure Access application is connected. And if we open Global Secure Access Advanced Diagnostics, we can see all checks are passed successfully in Health Check tab. Let's verify the remote desktop role we have created. To do that, we go to Forwarding Profile, and under Private Access Roles, here we can see our remote desktop full qualified domain name that we have created, and we can see also 3389, which is remote desktop port. Now let's try to access the server using remote desktop. Global Secure Access require an action, so we click on Sign In. As we can see here, user isn't able to access server using remote desktop because it doesn't have the needed permissions. Now let's add this user to our secure access group using PIM. We open Edge and we go to entra.microsoft.com portal. Then we go to Identity Governance, Privileged Identity Management, and we click on Groups under Manage. We select Secure Access Group, and then we click on Activate to activate user's membership. And we click on Activate. Now let's try to sign in one more time. And user can access the server right now using remote desktop after being added to secure access group using PIM.
That's it for this video. We hope you find it useful. For further resources, please see the description below. Thanks for watching.